Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out E-Flower Wholesale, which features all kinds of fantastic flowers and flower arrangements, with or without the vase. Today we're going to feature specifically their #1 seller, Premium Cut Purple Orchids, 20 stems with a vase. This arrangement has about 420 ratings on Amazon, with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Outstanding. So you get 20 stems worth of orchids, which is quite a few orchids as you can see in the picture. They're fresh cut purple orchids with a custom printed ribbon, and your personal message is included by clicking Add Gift Options at checkout. They're shipped with water tubes on each stem to ensure freshness during shipping. Say that 5 times fast. E-Flower Wholesale has a 7-day freshness guarantee, ensuring that only the highest quality flowers, fresh from the farm, will arrive at your door, both well hydrated and in perfect condition. They don't deliver on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, and any orders processed after 9 a.m. Pacific time will ship the following day. The package dimensions are 19 by 15 by 9 inches and it weighs in at 3 pounds. Now let me share with you a top review from a verified purchaser called Best Flowers I've Ordered Online. I've had plenty of poor experiences in the past with other online flower services, including expensive bouquets that never even showed up. For my mother's birthday this year, I wanted to gift her a stunning bouquet, but I was wary. After reading a lot of different reviews, I settled on this one, and neither her nor I was disappointed. They arrived a week earlier than the stated delivery window, just in time for her birthday. They were amazingly packaged. Every single flower had its own little vial of water, so that every bloom was fresh and vibrant. What a stunning display of flowers. We'll absolutely order again in the future. 5 stars. So there you go, Premium Cut Purple Orchids, 20 stems with a vase from E-Flower Wholesale. And don't forget to check out their other varieties of flowers as well. They have all kinds of highly rated flowers, arrangements, and vases. So order yours today. I think you're going to love it.